So in this video, I'm going to be shielding the pickup cavity and I'm going to be shielding the control cavity. And I know it's a humbucker, but you know, it's typically what it does, bucks the hum. But at least I know it's done, and not done 90%. So here I'll be removing the springs and putting some of the heat shrinking tubing on them to keep them from making noises, you know, the vibrating noises of the springs, because they're kind of free floating, stretched out. Yeah, kind of works pretty good. Alright, so this part of the video I'm going to be grounding out the shielding that is inside the pickup cavity, and this is very important to do because if you don't do it, it's kind of just useless to waste the tape if it's not connected to anything to ground itself out. I'm using the cloth for the springs on the back of the tremolo. I'm using that ground wire to ground the cavity, and then I'm going to run that wire into the control cavity.
You don't succeed, keep on sucking till you do succeed. Yeah.
Oh! What's the idea? I was just about to play Coming Through the Corn.
You mean rye?
The way I play it, it's corn.
Break it up. How much money did you loan on this junk?
Cheap, $50. That's a genuine Stratosphere.
Stratosphere?
Yeah.
Play some air.
Isn't that beautiful? That's the old looking bucket I'm playing.
Sounds like it.
Yeah.
Success.
Success. Success.